In this video, I will show you how to make a scroll bar automation on Figma. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can just head over right here first into our Figma. And then from in there, you can just click on any part of this element. So we have in here what we call a frame. So a frame is something like this rectangle right here. So you can just head over and then click on that. So this will be your frame. So you can also create a new plane by clicking on this rectangle icon and then adding that right around here, and it's already considered a frame. But for this video, let's talk about this one. So in here, just head over and then click on that. And in here, just click onto this prototype on the right hand panel. And in here, you can see this position. And in here, we have the overflow. So what you can do is you can just choose in here what overflow you want. For example, let's choose in here horizontal. And then it will actually automatically be saved. So you just need to head over and then create the connection based on that thing. And once you have scrolled, they will have that particular overflow behavior onto the scroll page. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.